hello, hello. And we're doing it again. Now, this is about criticism. And sometimes it's hard to have the criticism come, but it's going to come in life. I was called a has-been in my 20s. Looking back, I can laugh at this. But when you're there, it gets you thinking that maybe there's something to what's being said. Being told you don't have what it takes or you'll never make it has been said to many stars and business successes. I kept going and haven't stopped. But what about the person, the singer, that was told to shut up, that they weren't supposed to be so loud, or they can't sing, and they buy into that and what is said? If that's you, I am so sorry. So many come to me with stories of statements that injured their confidence. Some, they stopped singing altogether. Others stopped for years. When criticism comes, you have to look at it and make a decision. The stars and the business successes, let the criticism push them right forward. They said, I'll show them. They didn't buy into the label. And I don't want you to either. Can you be that brave? Of course you can. Start little by little, but don't stop. Take lessons, practice, but keep going with what you love. Don't let anyone hold you back. Don't let those statements come in and make you think, well, maybe. No maybes. This is what you love. Keep going. Now, there's a time when criticism is the truth, and we need to be honest and accept it. Say you're told you sing off key. Okay. If that's the truth, then you accept that criticism and work at fixing it. A formula for criticism is take it and check it out. Be honest and accept it. When it's correct, yes, accept it. Even if it hurts, and work to be better. The rest goes in the trash can. Okay? Just like go, whoopee, back in that trash can, honey. All right? Throw it away, because there's a lot of criticism that is trash. It's just people being jealous. It's people trying to goad you. It's people that they're practical and they wouldn't actually go for a career ever. But they aren't you. You are going for it. Keep going. Don't wait. Don't stop. I know this is easier said than done. But if you're going to put yourself out there, even if you don't, just being alive means criticism will come. That's the way it is. Let's be brave and use it to make us stronger. Tell me, what's your take with criticism? What criticism made you mad enough to work your voice even more? Did someone put you down and you didn't get up? Let me know that also. Let me know in the comments below, okay? Subscribe, ring that bell. Oh my gosh, you've got to do those things, you know. Yes, you do. You always, always have to keep yourself moving forward. Never, ever give up, okay? That's what I say every morning. I say, I am never giving up. And I've been doing it for a long time, believe me. But here I am. I'm here with you. I'm loving you, honey. I'm putting some loving on you guys, okay? So don't forget that it is such a day, yeah, such a butterfly.